going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of CryptoRuff, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Starting off the day here on Falcon coin, just tracking my progress here. I've got about $60 in my US dollar wallet here, so I want to transfer those to the FCC coins that are currently valued at about 43 cents a coin, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and see. That gives me about 5 coins right now as they trade out at $10 a coin. So let's go ahead and put my two-factor here and transfer this out. Alright, sweet. We got those 5 coins transferred out, so I've got about 6 coins now here in my Falcon coin wallet, and my total investment right now is 3,486. Now, what's cool about Falcon coins is I can turn these coins into the lending program at a value of $10 a coin. So let's go ahead and lend these right now. Let's go ahead and lend all $60. We'll just do an even 60 into the program, and let's go ahead and put in that two-factor again and lend the $60. Alright, here we go on that $60 lend. Let's say we are sure, and now we've got over 3,500 lent into the lending program. Now, a lot of people ask, why is this worth it? How can this possibly be worth it? Well, right now they want more users involved in the program, and the more people involved, the higher Falcon coin's gonna go. So we've already seen it move up a little bit. It was down in the 30 cents, and now it's sitting pretty stable at the 43 cent mark, which is great to see, and I'm really excited to continue to see this go up. Now, when the coin is worth $10 a coin, I'll actually be pulling out that $60 or so on, but for the time being, I really want to get my active investment up. My goal is to get this to $10,000, and that way when the coin gets to $10 a day, when I pull it out, I'll be able to have the profit off of that $10,000 in actual cash, transferring it to Bitcoin or doing whatever with it. Now, something that's coming out for Falcon that I'm really excited for is the staking right here. It comes out in 1 day, 19 hours, 55 minutes, 46, 45, 44 seconds. They are having an awesome staking program to launch it. It's going to be a 48-hour staking promotion. For the first 48 hours, if you stake your Falcon coins, you will receive double staking interest. This means you could earn up to 360% by staking your Falcon coins for 12 months. So that's really cool to get that bonus interest right there. I don't know if I'm going to lock the coins in for 12 months. I'm actually debating whether or not putting some money in. If I can get $200 together, I would love to buy $200 worth of coins and get those in the staking program. I think that would be awesome to get that amount of coins staked in, even for just 3 months right here. And it's gonna be, 5% monthly, 3 months. You can cancel anytime with the 3-month one, so there's not as much paid interest here. Now, the 6-month one is also a possibility. You lock them in for 6 months and you're paid monthly 10% of your interest. So if I had 400 coins in there, I would get about 40 coins a month plus the extra 360%, so whatever that would be. So it's definitely going to be worth it to get something staked in there, and I'm really excited to kind of see how the program reacts during the staking period. If we do see the coins start to go up in price, that would be awesome. So just know that that's definitely a possibility. Even if I get 100 coins staked in there, that would be awesome, just to see those coins grow, and in the future I can use them to trade against the value of Bitcoin, and trading is definitely something I want to get into. So that's just a little update on what's going on in Falcon coin. Now, something I actually want to talk to you guys about is hashbot trading. So I'm looking into getting in with a friend to start doing some hashbot trading, which could be really, really cool and profitable to start kind of trading my coins back and forth. So I want to probably do some free camera work, looking at the system and different things that we can do, possibly meeting up with a friend and getting some more input on the channel as we continue to grow the channel here in 2018. So that's just a heads up for you guys, something to look forward to. Let's go ahead and take a look at the market today on coinmarketcap.com. So currently we see we're sitting at a $417 billion market cap, a little bit lower than yesterday's report, but we do see the price of Bitcoin remaining stable. It's definitely had some ups and downs, and another reason why I want to get trading is the way Bitcoin's been going. It's been awesome for traders right now. It's just trading in this couple hundred margin back and forth, so there's not really a lot of risk for loss at the moment when trading. If you're really selling on the peaks and buying at these dips, there's a lot of profit to be made with trading Bitcoin right now. And if you're trading it against something like DOGECOIN or just other things, when you trade against other coins, or even just trading it from a US dollar wallet and then back into the Bitcoin wallet, it could definitely be worth it for you. So just keep that in mind, guys, when you're trading. Really know that you're going to sell the highs and you're going to buy the dips. And if you really are careful with watching the market and getting some great knowledge of how it works, fluctuating back and forth, then you can really make a great profit trading. So that's just a little bit for that. Possibly going to get into a little bit of profit trailer stuff. I'm really looking into doing a lot of research and some other cool stuff coming around with cloud mining as well. So anyway, guys, just a quick update on the market today. I hope you guys are having a great day and that you're being able to make some money here by trading in this market. It's really prime for trading right now. Alright guys, that's it for the day and this video, but we will see you tomorrow in another episode of CryptoRuff.